What's up, guys? So today we're going to Wicked Big Meat. Now Wicked Big Meat is like, I think it's probably like the biggest Subaru show on the East Coast for sure. I don't know what it's like on the West Coast, but what are you giggling? You're always giggling.
It's wicked big.
It's a wicked big show, but
it's the biggest one.
it's all for Subaru stuff. Now, I've never been a Subaru guy. I respect Subarus, I like Subarus, but I've never been a Subaru guy. So it's gonna be a lot of Subarus. That's all I have to say.
It's wicked big, and there's a lot of Subarus.
A lot of Subarus. So there's definitely gonna be some cool builds. I can't wait to see some engine swap Subarus, and I don't know. I think it'll be funny. Steph really wanted to go, surprisingly. So, and we're gonna get to say hi to Crispy and Mike that I haven't seen in a while. So
I'm so excited.
Yes, let's go see some helicopters sounding ass. Japanese cars.
I gotta pee again.
Oh.
I just peed. That kid looks like a Subaru owner. Is this it?
The spectator lot is literally thousands of Subarus. It's
Not me.
pretty wicked big. It's a lot of Subarus. Holy shit. Alright. I see you. Yeah. Alright guys, star of the show right here. We got Crispy's whip. He's probably out. This is more my style right here. Should you slide it?
Yeah.
So one of the issues with Subarus is their motor probably looks exactly the same from like what, 90 to 2018. The engine looks pretty similar between all the models, so it's pretty hard to differentiate yourself with the engine bay. A lot of guys just have like every parent bolt-on thing they could find, but something like this is really cool. This one's really badass. I really appreciate this one. Realistically, this is an ugly ass motor, but this guy did a good ass job. The full tuck and tubs, right? Not bad.
That's good. I think it looks nice.
You did a good job.
Sparkly and like.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly. All right, going back to this is probably this car I've been trying to see in person for a long time. This is badass.
That's great.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's a big change.
Damn, he had to cut the ass out of that firewall.
What up? I'm good. How are you?
What's up, buddy? How are you?
What's going on?
It's always a pleasure to see you.
It's good to see you too.
So you're
man.
secondhand Crispy today, huh?
I am. I'm secondhand Christmas. It's been hot.
It's been hot.
Yeah. Even though it's not
Men's
hot.
never hot.
Men's never hot.
Love it?
I like that one like the best.
This one? Have you guys ever played that little coin drop machine at Taco Bell?
That you love?
It's good,
The
right?
perfect color!
Best part of the show. Good boy. This thing's sick. See, that's like goals. I want to get one of these for my living room when we get a house.
In our living room, literally.
We got a Sylvia for the living room. There it is, guys. We're getting a Sylvia for the living room. Love it.
Can I pet your doggy? Yeah. Hi, little baby. Really?
We're cheating on Tucker.
What type of corgi?
No,
So this is a Corgi Rottweiler mix?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
She'll roll over. for
Roll
belly
over.
rubs, too.
Come on, puppy.
Just give her a push.
How short the legs are! Oh my god!
Do it.
Do it and make her so cute. I'm so crazy. Awesome.
Awesome color. Next wrap color?
I wouldn't even say no. It's nice.
Wow, they wrapped the back seats of Bride. That's actually a really cool touch. Whoever spent the money to do that, props to you. Beautifully done. You like it?
I like that color combo.
Fun fact, if you guys didn't already know, I'm obsessed with yellow cars. I love them so much. Love this car.
I've been building this for a little bit under a year. This one. I had another one, and I took it apart.
Beautifully done. Yeah, you would love this color. Look at the metallic.
Great color. It's actually cement gray.
What is it? It's from a Tundra?
Cement gray.
Yeah. Cement gray. Yep. That's awesome.
So I can punch and don't quit. I think they in the mood for another one. Shit, Jimmy up.
Oh, in my head. God damn it.
That's such a nice trailer.
I got that attention. I'm not sure.
You know I was coasters. They're like the board mats.
I got an STI towel. Hopefully it doesn't spin a bearing. I'm chilling. This is great. Subaru knows how to treat their people. Oh my god. That beats free stuff, right?
I love free stuff.
What do you think this is for?
Me. I'ma blow it.
It's they're bubbles.
Yeah. What else do you do to bubbles? Is that good?
Yep.
There you go.
Crispy, we got you bubbles. Hope you enjoy them. It's really cool. I'm really impressed with the vendors here. There's a lot of cool stuff. The vendors are really like you come for the car, you stay for the vendors kind of stuff, and it's a really cool atmosphere. I didn't realize that this whole show was sponsored by Subaru, which I think is badass. Like for a car company to reach out to its performance culture, I think is amazing. Just because, I mean, for you guys that watch this, for me, the performance aspect is our whole life, and it's cool to get the support from the companies we actually mod. So I don't know, or I'm just rambling on and being stupid. But look at this thing, that's pretty cool. Our boxer motor's so ugly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was down there for, I just put wheels on my car.
Is that what's that for?
The fingers, you know, we see these plastic cars, maybe where like a digital controller might sit out.
Another corgi.
What are those on the cart?
I don't even think it's here right now, but if we run like across the yard.
Huh. That's really cool, right?
I do.
It's not like too extra or anything.
You gotta build your own. Right here.
Stephanie, you got beer goggles on?
Yeah.
You got beer goggles.
I gotta get them.
Why are you going farther back? Alright, this is supposed to be equivalent to 4 beers, so this won't even affect Drew, but this might put me on my ass. Hey, I wonder if you watched the video. That's the way to do it. What do you think, Bubs?
What's this?
Yeah.
What am I looking at?
Needs to wash his wheels, doesn't it?
I was gonna say it's pretty.
Alright, so what's pretty cool is they give you this ticket when you walk in. It puts you in a raffle giveaway for like all the booths. Every single individual booth is giving away like basically $200 worth of product, which is pretty cool.
Some of them are like $1,000.
So, you know my ass is gonna enter this thing, so let's hope, fingers crossed for me. Hopefully we win. These actually are all owned by Subaru. They're Subaru cars, they're all generations of the STI. It's pretty cool they come and bring them out here. I know a lot of you guys out there, just like me, would do a lot of weird stuff for this car. Can I touch it? Let me touch it. Come on, let me touch it. I don't want to break your fingers. So can I take it for a rip? Sure, thank you.
Presented by Subaru of Wallingford.
What the heck are you doing?
That's what I'm talking about, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you know what engine this is? Let me guess.
It's a J,
It's a J?
right?
You did great. I'll give her that. You did great.
Is it 1 or 2?
Well, there's a track. We were kind of expecting some demonstrations. I think we missed it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now at this point, we are waiting for the raffle to partake because I want to win some free stuff. There's a raffle for free ECU, a Lynx ECU, and I want it. That'd be so nice in the E36. It'd be so nice. Well, it got really popping over here. I don't know what's going on. What do you think's happening?
They have a big sign.
You know what just hit me? I'm really surprised. You know what we haven't seen a lot of?
What?
Vapes. What's up, guys? The lack of vapes I've seen here today is like very inspiring.
I think I've seen 3 out of all of these.
Right? Holy shit! I can't
I see
imagine.
one.
I can't imagine what could be me like 2 years ago, like the prime
Oh,
of it.
it probably smelled delicious though.
I got a big cloud. Give me a big cloud. We're talking about a lack of vapes here today.
I can't do big ones with this one.
Oh my god! Come
My
on.
batteries are dead. Look, see?
Beautiful. There it is.
There you go.
There's our
We
first
did
out
it.
of
We
the
got
net.
it.
Second place goes to
What are you hoping to win?
Everything?
What'd you sign up for?
I don't remember.
Okay. What? I didn't win the ECU, so that happened. It's okay. What are you guys hoping to win? Nothing. Wow, you guys.
$500.
$500. Yeah. I'd like to win that too.
Prepare to rip.
Rip it.
Rip.
No, that's
rip.
a blow.
Cloud. Let's do it. Oh my God.
So that happened.
That was bad.
That was bad. Steffi, did you win anything?
No.
Nope.
I got bubbles though.
She's got bubbles, so she's happy. I spilled the bubbles all over my chest, so that's that. But all right, guys, that was cool. I smell 85. Really cool to see this thing run. Those guys fucking killed it. But today was awesome. It's my first week of Big Mate experience, and they did an amazing job. It's a great show. So well organized, so well put together. People are awesome. I was expecting a different experience, and I had a really great time. So
I'm exhausted, and there's a large weight on my shoulders. Please, hold up. Please buy this exhaust for a 15 plus WSCI. It is $480 and a free shipping and handling fee. Walk away with it right now. 300? No, can't do it, man.
But Steffi, did you have a good time?
I did have a good time.
It was
Are you happy that you came?
Yeah, it was a great show. I'm really happy it came. Like I said, I was expecting a way different experience, but it was definitely an awesome day. One more appreciation post.
It's nice.
Steffi likes it.
Look at the driver. Is that real?
That's real.
Looks nice.
It does look nice.
Why don't they have seats though?
Race car. That's not a Subaru. Find something you like?
I like that. I like the colors.
Yeah?
I do.
She likes it. That's awesome.
It looks really good.
Yeah. Off-roading out here.
I drive a Subaru. I've been influenced.
Look at this gorgeous FC. I want the flags.
Go, run. Go faster.
And just as we leave, it starts raining. Alright guys, just got home not too long ago. Today was an awesome day. I was actually planning on going to the shop afterwards, but I fell asleep in the car and I'm disgustingly tired. It's not gonna happen. I feel guilty, but I'm sorry. We're not getting anything cool done today. But the show was a great time. I know I keep saying it, but it was the first time going to like a big meet. I know that and like Boxer Fest, I think it is called, is like the two biggest shows of the year on the East Coast at least, and never knew what to expect. I definitely had my own expectations of a meet only for Subaru guys, but I had a great time and it was really cool. There's a lot of cool builds there. There's a lot of freaking bug eyes, and like I said before, it was just so badass to have a car company supporting such a performance style show. So I'm gonna stop rambling on, but I think we're just gonna call it. I think we're just gonna call it a day because I'm so tired. I gotta go edit this video, go to bed, and then get up for tomorrow. So tomorrow we're gonna be working on the E36, I believe. I want to go out to the parts car that I found, take the parts off that we need for the swap, and get all the random stupid stuff we need for the M52 swap. But I gotta shut up. I hope you guys are excited for tomorrow, because I am. So you guys know the deal. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment, of course subscribe if you aren't already, and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. So have a fantastic day.